Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'm just going to quickly show you how I moisturize my hair while it is still in this threaded protective style. And the good thing is that you can also do this on any kind of protective style you are wearing at the moment. So if you've not seen the video on how I made this hair, just run back now. Go and watch the video, then you can come back and watch how I moisturize it. So it is very simple. Just get your spray bottle or applicator bottle, pour in some water, add your favorite leave-in conditioner and any type of oil of your choice. Shake it very well and you're good to go. So with me here, I have my spray bottle, I have some water here, I have my leave-in conditioner, and I have my carrot oil. So these are the three things I have in this spray bottle, and I'm going to shake it very well. Then I'll start spraying it all over my hair. So my hair is about 1 week old now since I made the hair, and I've moisturized it only once, just once, because I don't think my hair is too dry to be moisturized. But today I just decided to show you how to moisturize your hair in any type of protective style you are wearing. You can just do this on your hair. So now I'm going to start spraying this mixture all over my hair, making sure I use my fingers to raise the curls up and spray the water in there. And don't be afraid to spray it on the threaded area as well. Then once you're done spraying the water all over your hair, you can begin to, work in the water mixed into your hair. Just massage your hair. And make sure the liquid gets to every corner. So once I'm done doing this, I can go ahead and apply some gel at the back section just to lay it down even more. But if I don't want to apply gel, I'll just use my brush and brush it up and I'm good to go. So I'm not going to apply any gel to it. I'm just going to brush it with this brush. Of course, my edges. When I'm done doing this, I'll now go ahead and apply my 100% pure castor oil around my edges, my front edges here. This oil is so good. You need to get yourself one of these castor oil. Make sure it is 100% pure castor oil. It has helped me to regrow my edges, as you can see. If you saw my previous video, I made a video on how I used it to grow my edges. Maybe you can check the video out. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my palm, just like so. That's okay. And I'll start applying it around my front edges. You can also apply it any part of your head that you feel like it's not really growing. Just concentrate mainly on those areas. It really helps, trust me. This oil is amazing. I like to apply a generous amount of it around my front edges. Then anyone that is left in your palm, you can just rub it all over your head. Now I will begin to massage my edges with this. This feels so good. Alright, now that I'm all done, I'm going to reshaping the curls to make sure that they are well laid. Anyone that I see standing up, I try to push it inside. Alright, we are all done. You are good to go. So now that I'm about to go to bed, the next thing, which is the final step that I like to do, is I always cover my hair with a satin scarf or a satin bonnet. Like, I don't forget it. I always keep it under my pillow so that I will not forget it. If you have not been sleeping with your satin scarf or a satin bonnet, make sure you start from today. It really helps. Like, you don't know how much it helps to stop your hair from breaking while you are asleep. So this is my satin bonnet. I'm just going to use it to cover my hair and I'm good to go. So that is it, guys. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you've learned one or two things from this video, and I hope this video was really helpful to you out there. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. God bless you all. Good night, good day, wherever you are. For me here, it's night, so good night. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.